viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Kindly like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Today we are going to see the continuation part of the physiology of the menstrual cycle. So we are going to continue from the Graafian follicle. In the previous video we have seen about the vesicular follicle, follicular phase, and the continuation of the follicular phase. The last phase is Graafian follicle. What is Graafian follicle is a matured ovarian follicle. What are the changes occurring during this phase is size of the follicle increases, ovum attains maximum size, zona pellucida becomes thick, corona radiata and theca interna becomes prominent. On the 14th day of the menstrual cycle, Graafian follicle is ready for the process of ovulation. Hence at this phase, on the 14th day, there is a LH surge, so Graafian follicle ruptures and ovulation is seen. In the luteal phase, um, this is a luteal phase. We have seen the ovarian changes. In ovarian changes, we have seen follicular phase and luteal phase. We have discussed about the follicular phase in previous video, and now we are going to see about the luteal phase. It occurs between 15th and 28th day of the cycle. Carpus luteum develops during this phase. Carpus luteum is a yellow body or a glandular yellow body. Development of Graafian follicle, rupture of Graafian follicle, release of ovum, follicle is filled with the blood. This is called as carpus hemorrhagicum. Carpus hemorrhagicum is converted into carpus luteum. What are the functions of the carpus luteum? The functions of the carpus luteum are secretions of the hormone, mainly progesterone, and traces amount of estrogen is also secreted from the theca lutein cells. Large quantity of progesterone is secreted from the carpus luteum by the influence of LH. And maintenance of the pregnancy. If pregnancy occurs, carpus luteum remains active for about 3 months until the placenta develops. Hormone secreted by the carpus luteum during this period maintains the pregnancy. Abortion occurs if carpus luteum becomes inactive. So carpus luteum helps in the maintenance of pregnancy till the placenta develops. So we have completed the ovarian changes. Now we are going to see the uterine changes. First phase is the menstrual phase that occurs from 4th to 5th days, that is 1 to 5, occurs nearly 4 to 5 days. Proliferative phase 5th to 14th day. A secretory phase 15th to 28th day. What happens in the menstrual phase is thickened endometrium is shed or desquamated. This phase lasts for 4 to 5 days. It is also called as menses or amania or catamania. On 26th or 27th day, if there is a sudden reduction in the release of estrogen and progesterone from the ovary, then the menstrual phase is seen. During normal menstruation, about 35 ml of blood along with 35 ml of serous fluid is expelled. At the end of this phase, thickness of endometrium is 1 mm, and this phase is further followed by proliferative phase. This phase, proliferative phase, extends from 15th to 14th day of the menstruation. What happens in this phase is endometrial cells proliferate rapidly. Epithelium reappears on the surface of the endometrium within the first 4 to 7 days. At the end of this phase, the thickness of the endometrium reaches up to 3 mm to 4 mm. On the 14th day, ovulation occurs under the influence of LH. On the 14th day, there is LH surge. So ovulation occurs in this phase. Next we are going to see about the secretory phase, which extends between 15th to 28th day of the menstrual cycle. Endometrium glands becomes more tortuous in this phase. Blood supply to the endometrium increases and thickness of endometrium increases up to 6 mm. What is the role of estrogen here is proliferation of cells in uterus becomes thicker. And what is the role of progesterone? Enlargement of endometrial stroma and growth of glands. These are the hormones and their roles acting in the secretory phase. Thank you. Kindly like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.